Windows 11 May 2026 Security Update KB5089549 is now available for 24H2 and 25.2. This update brings the latest security patches, quality improvements, and exciting new features from last month's preview. Today, I'll cover the key highlights, the safest ways to install, and how to fix common installation problems. Let's dive in. Hey guys, welcome back to 4DDIG. Part 1. Fixes and Improvements. The biggest focus this time is Secure Boot. Microsoft has added high-trust device targeting data, which allows more devices to automatically receive new Secure Boot certificates. Because many devices will see their current certificates expire starting in June 2026, this May update serves as an important final preparation. The rollout is carefully controlled. Only devices that have successfully installed enough recent updates will receive the new certificate. I recommend that everyone go to Windows Security, Device Security, Secure Boot to check their current status. Next, this update fixes a boot problem that appeared for some users after last month's April update. It greatly reduces the chance of your PC entering BitLocker recovery mode after installing updates, especially helpful for devices using TPM. Finally, Microsoft improved the reliability of the SSDP service, so you should experience fewer random connection drops and unresponsive network services. Beyond the security fixes, this update also brings some really practical improvements. Xbox mode is now available, giving you a full-screen console-like experience. Many players with big AAA games are noticing better frame stability and fewer drops. File Explorer feels snappier too. The white flash in dark mode is gone. Your view and sort preferences are properly remembered, and it now supports more archive formats natively. You might not need 7-zip as often anymore. Explorer processes are also more reliable and clean up properly after you close Windows. The FAT32 format restriction has been removed. Another nice win is the memory fix for delivery optimization. Some users are seeing background memory usage drop by around 10–15%, making the system feel noticeably lighter. Please note that these new features are being rolled out gradually, so not everyone will see them immediately. Part 2. Known Issues and Fixes. While Microsoft reports no major known issues with KB5089549, like any big cumulative update, some users are experiencing the download getting stuck, installation taking a very long time, or the update failing and rolling back after restart. If Windows Update seems to be looping or hanging, try these methods. Method 1. Manual installation, recommended first step. The most reliable method is to bypass Windows Update completely. Go to the Microsoft Update catalog, search for KB5089549, download the correct MSU file for your system, x64, and double-click to install it. This usually avoids most service glitches and stuck downloads. I've put the direct link in the description below. Method 2. Repair system files. If the manual install still fails, your system files or update components might be corrupted. Search for chem, then run it as administrator. Run these two commands, one after another. First, dism/online/cleanupimage/RestoreHealth, then SFC/scannow. These commands repair Windows system files and the update service. After they finish, restart your PC and try checking for updates again or run the manual install. Method 3. Uninstall or pause updates. If the update causes any issues after installation, you can easily remove it. Go to Settings, Windows Update, Update History, Uninstall Updates. Find K5089549 and uninstall it. After that, I recommend pausing updates for 7 days while waiting for any potential hotfix. Method 4. Expanding the WinRE recovery partition using 4DDIG Partition Manager is the most critical step in resolving update failures. Microsoft has confirmed that if the available space within WinRE falls below 250 MB, it frequently leads to update failures. Instead of risky diskpart commands, here's a much safer way with 4DDIG Partition Manager. First, I strongly recommend creating a full disk backup, or at least backing up your important files just in case. Then shrink your C drive from the right to free up 500 MB. Then extend the WinRE partition to at least 750 MB. Finally, click Execute and restart your computer. you will find the originally stuck update. If something goes wrong and files go missing, 4DDIG's powerful recovery tool can rescue them even from BitLocker, corrupted paths, or lost partitions. Keep 4DDIG ready before any partition changes. Download and scan for free via the link in the description. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. See you next time.